Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to minimize TradingView charts. We'll start by looking at the basic controls for resizing your chart area. Then, I'll show you how to temporarily hide various panels, like the watch list or the volume panel, to gain more screen real estate. We'll also cover some handy keyboard shortcuts that can significantly speed up your workflow. By the end, you'll have a much more optimized and focused trading view. To manually resize your chart, simply click and drag the edges of the chart panel. You can also use your mouse's scroll wheel to zoom in or out, which effectively changes the visible range. For quick vertical scaling, double-click the price axis on the right side. This will automatically fit the price action to your screen. Similarly, adjusting the time axis at the bottom allows for horizontal compression or expansion of your data. TradingView offers several ways to hide panels and maximize your chart view. You can easily toggle off the watch list and details panel on the right side with a single click. The drawing tools panel on the left can also be hidden when not in use. For even more space, consider collapsing the volume panel at the bottom. And for the ultimate focused view, activate full screen mode, which removes all browser and platform elements. Keyboard shortcuts are incredibly powerful for minimizing distractions. For instance, pressing Alt+F will instantly take you into full screen mode, giving you the largest possible chart view. You can also save your preferred chart layouts using Alt+S, allowing you to quickly switch between different setups. TradingView also lets you customize many hotkeys, so you can tailor them to your specific needs and optimize your workflow even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.